Sally and Sheriff and Doc the old race car. Mater the automat, he's an outer space car. Lightning when he ties himself up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Scooter and Fillmore and Lizzie the old car. Mater goes tractor tipping, then he's a bold car. All of these cars in Radiator Springs. These are a few of my favorite things. Sergeant Luigi and Ramon the paint car. Pope so-and-so, he is a saint car. Lightning and Mater Hawk, their cars with wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When we lose Mac at the racetrack, when we're feeling bad, we simply remember our favorite things, and then we don't feel